Alrighty, so welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we're actually going to work on installing the new NRG steering wheel, shore hub, and the quick release. So I'm going to try that out today. I already uninstalled the battery for a couple hours. We went out to go buy stuff, so I gave it enough time to hopefully kill off the airbag so it doesn't pop off when I take this off. But I'll be showing you guys the whole install process on this, which is pretty easy. So from what I've seen in the videos, you got to remove these three things right here in order to pop this whole piece out. So we're gonna go ahead and undo these with the Phillips and get it going. So now that we got all three screws out, which are where those holes right here, which is this one right here, and down there, now you can start prying it off. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that. So now that that is set, we got to pop off this thing right here. So we're gonna have to get a flathead, hit it right there, take that off, disconnect the airbag, and then this should just come off, and then we'll move from there. So now that we removed that, this is the airbag sensor apparently right here. What we need to remove is this top screw right here and the one on this side as well. Where is it at? It's right there. So all it takes is a T30 drill bit. So just go ahead and pick that up from Home Depot. It's like $2-3 so it's definitely worth it, and then you can go ahead and pop it out. That's pretty much all you'll need. Other than that, you'll just need a flathead and a regular Phillips screwdriver. So now that we took off those screws right there, we're gonna pop this off now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off very carefully so it doesn't pop off or eject. So let's go ahead and try this out. Alrighty, cool. So I finally got this off. So as you can see, it's off now. The only thing that you gotta do is pretty much pull this all the way back. So when you do this, pull this all the way back, and then it should just come off. Alrighty, so now that we hit that, as you can see, it's loose. So now, in order to pry it off, apparently you got to pull this way. You got to hit it from this side, hit it from this side. We're going to try and yank it out, so let's see how it goes. Alright, let's try this. Whoops. There you go. It's already popped off. Mine wasn't even a struggle, which is good. So we're gonna take that off now. So steering wheel is completely off, so we won't need that no more. Now we got to move on to the next step. So now the next step is pretty much removing this, just prying it off in order to remove this thingy right here. A lot of people apparently twist it off, but I'm not going to do that. So we're going to do the legit way, which is popping it off with the flathead. And then this is straight, so we're good to go on that. So let's go ahead and get it. Alrighty, so now that we got everything off, pretty much, we got this off. So what I would recommend is shimmying this thing and until it comes off, and then just putting your flathead right on this little piece right here. Let me focus on that. So just put the flathead inside here and then just pry it off, and then this thing will just pop off like nothing. So we honestly don't need this anymore, I believe. So yep, we'll figure out the horn and everything else and how it's gonna work. So yep, let's go ahead and get it. Alrighty, so after much trying on this thing, I was gonna do the wiring to get the horn to fix, but to be honest, I'll probably do that some other day. The only thing that I didn't like is that thing's not sitting flush. This side is straight and it's good to go, so it's there. So I believe this is like the 2.0, and then the shore hub, the quick release, and then the NRG thing. I was I want to get a different steering wheel, but I just honestly didn't like this right here, just the look of it. But hey, turned out pretty well, better than I expected, and I can't wait to try this out and try this thing on, you know. Sick. So that's pretty much it for today. As you guys know, we got the update with the Q50, so there'll be more videos on that, parts and everything like that on that car. Apart from this one, I would definitely want to build this up to be, I don't know, a build. And so we'll see what's next. Probably some fuel pump, fuel rail, injectors, and I gotta get a new I gotta get the K-tuner. I forgot what it is, the 1-point revision, something like that. I need to upgrade it, so I'm probably gonna send that out to get it fixed, and hopefully I can start messing with that. Because right now, for some reason, that thing is locked, and I unlock it and then it goes back to locked, and the car won't turn on if I put a different tune, which is weird. But Yep, that's it for today's video, and there'll be more updates coming up soon.